In the world of project management and work collaboration, choosing the right platform is akin to selecting the perfect toolkit for a complex build. Each tool has its strengths, weaknesses, and a unique underlying architecture that dictates its capabilities. When considering Smartsheet, a popular cloud-based work management platform, a common question often arises: what platform does Smartsheet use? This question isn't about its user interface, which famously resembles a spreadsheet, but rather the foundational technology that powers its robust features. As a project management expert, understanding the core platform behind a software like Smartsheet provides crucial insights into its scalability, security, integration capabilities, and overall reliability. It helps you assess whether it's truly a good fit for your organization's current and future needs. Smartsheet, a cloud-native SaaS platform. At its heart, Smartsheet is a software-as-a-service SaaS offering. This means it's a cloud-based application that you access through your web browser, rather than software you install directly onto your computer. This fundamental characteristic is a major selling point for many organizations, as it offers numerous advantages from a project management perspective. Accessibility. As a web-based platform, Smartsheet can be accessed from virtually any internet-enabled device, anywhere in the world. This is invaluable for distributed teams, remote workers, and stakeholders who need to view or update project information on the go. No installation or maintenance. Since it's SaaS, you don't need to worry about installing software, managing updates, or maintaining servers. Smartsheet handles all the infrastructure, allowing your IT team, if you have one, to focus on more strategic tasks, and your project teams to focus on their work. Automatic updates. New features, bug fixes, and security enhancements are rolled out automatically by Smartsheet. This ensures that users always have access to the latest version of the software without any manual intervention. Scalability. Cloud platforms are inherently designed for scalability. As your team grows, or as your project portfolio expands, Smartsheet can easily accommodate increased users, data, and complexity without requiring significant hardware upgrades on your end. The underlying technology stack. While Smartsheet presents a user-friendly, spreadsheet-like interface, beneath that surface lies a sophisticated technology stack that enables its powerful features. While companies like Smartsheet typically keep their exact proprietary architecture under wraps, we can infer a lot about the core technologies they leverage based on common industry practices for large-scale SaaS applications. Here are some key components and concepts that Smartsheet and similar enterprise-grade SaaS platforms would typically utilize. Cloud infrastructure provider. Smartsheet likely hosts its services on a major cloud computing platform. While they don't publicly state a single provider, it's common for enterprise SaaS companies to utilize services from giants like Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. These platforms provide the robust, scalable, and secure infrastructure needed to host millions of users and their data. This includes servers, databases, networking, and security services. Programming languages and frameworks. To build the application itself, Smartsheet would use a combination of modern programming languages and frameworks. For the back-end, the engine room that handles data processing, logic, and server operations, languages like Java, Python, or C#, often with Microsoft's .NET framework, are common choices for their scalability, performance, and enterprise capabilities. For the front end, what you see and interact with in your web browser, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript are standard, often augmented by modern JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js to create a dynamic and responsive user experience. Databases. Storing and managing vast amounts of project data, user information, and attachments requires powerful database systems. Smartsheet likely uses a combination of relational databases, like PostgreSQL or SQL Server, for structured data and potentially NoSQL databases for more flexible or rapidly changing data types. Caching mechanisms, like Memcached or Redis, would also be used to speed up data retrieval. Security architecture. As a platform handling sensitive business data, security is paramount. Smartsheet employs industry-leading security measures, including data encryption. Data is encrypted both in transit, when it's moving between your device and their servers, using TLS 1.2 or higher, and at rest when it's stored on their servers, typically using AES 256. Access controls. Robust user authentication, authorization, and permission management ensure that only authorized individuals can access specific data. Regular security audits and certifications. Compliance with various international security standards, like ISO 27001, SOC2, demonstrates a commitment to data protection. Integration capabilities. APIs. A key aspect of modern project management tools is their ability to integrate with other business applications. Smartsheet achieves this through a robust application programming interface, API. This allows developers to build connectors that enable data exchange and workflow automation between Smartsheet and other systems like CRM, Salesforce, communication tools, Slack, Microsoft Teams, document storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, and business intelligence tools, Tableau, Power BI. Workflow automation engine. Smartsheet's powerful automation features, like alerts, reminders, and automatic actions based on triggers, are powered by a sophisticated workflow engine built into its platform. This engine allows users to define rules and logic without needing to write code. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Increasingly, Smartsheet is integrating AI capabilities. This includes features like generating formulas, summarizing text, analyzing data for charts, and suggesting descriptions for images. These AI functionalities are powered by integrating with generative AI models, which process user input and sheet context to provide intelligent outputs. Implications for project managers. Understanding Smartsheet's platform approach has several practical implications for project managers. Reliability. Being built on a robust cloud infrastructure means high uptime and reliability for your project data and access. Interoperability. The strong API and commitment to integrations means Smartsheet can seamlessly fit into your existing technology stack, reducing data silos and improving overall data flow across your organization. Future-proofing. A company that invests in a modern, scalable cloud platform and embraces emerging technologies like AI is better positioned to evolve and meet future business needs. Security posture. Understanding their security measures provides confidence that your sensitive project data is well protected.